Hi guys, I'm Dr. Herbert Ryan Cruz and naata karon sa Cebu City. I'm going to visit another modern minimalist cafe diri sa Kasambagan, Cebu City. So, let's check out that Dahon Cafe here in Cebu. So, tara, ubani ko ninyo and let's check out the place, ang ilang pagkaon ug ang interior sa place. So, atong tan-awon guys. Tara. As you can see, ang ilang team is modern, minimalist, and then nindot kay ilang mga furniture. So, kuan kaayo, classy and elegant, tan-awon gid ang white. So, nindot kaayo, relaxing, and then it's well lighted, and then I really like kanang ingani nga minimalist na, no? Minimalist ra gyud kay siya, and then very classy. Mao ni ang main branch sa Dahon Cafe. So, it's located here in Kasambagan, Cebu City. So, another branch nila naa sa Zapatera, Cebu City. Guys, I'm with Jehan, one of the staff here at Dahon Cafe. So, Miss Jehan, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Unsay ma-recommend nimo nako diri nga food? Unsay mga bestseller ninyo diri sa cafe?
We have big breakfast, sir, on where you can choose 2 meats between our all-day breakfast, and then it comes with 2 eggs, 2 slices of cucumber, and pickled vegetables, sir.
Okay. So you have a lot of food sa di I know. You have rice bowls, snacks,
Yes,
pasta, they have pizza also, no? Pastries also, bread. Sa coffee, unsay mga bestseller ninyo? What
We
can you
have Dahon
recommend?
Coffee, sir. It's a French press deconstructed coffee, and then you will mix it with our mixture of sugar syrup, milk, and vanilla ice cream, sir. Perfect for summer.
Yeah, so mga nindot ni ilang kuan, no? Daghan silang mga new kuan nga coffee nga
Yes,
inyuhara, no? So you have this kanang Dahon specialty coffee nga dinhi ra gyud sa
Opo, sir.
inyong cafe. So, unsay store hours ninyo diri, Miss Jehan?
We open at 8 in the morning, sir, and then we closes at 9 every day.
That's
Sunday
good. So
to-
every day good,
Opo.
walay days nga close, no? Usually kanang unsay days nga kusog ang cafe, like kuan
During weekends,
weekends,
sir. Opo.
oo. Pero usually unsa man lunchtime or imong nakita usually dinner
Every
time or
afternoon, sir.
afternoon good, no? Oo. So what I like here kay naa po'y area outside where they can chill, no?
Opo.
Magkape-kape, the view is very nice, especially sa sulod, no? It's modern, it's well lighted, so nindot gyud kaayo. So unsay mga usual customers ninyo diri nga imong nakita? Is it students ba or
Yes, sir. Mostly students.
Mostly
And then also
students.
can work at home, sir, kay since we have outlets also here.
so that's good, no? So guys, mao nini akong food diri sa Dahon Cafe. This is the big breakfast. So katong mga hilig good kaayo nga mag-rice during breakfast. So I can recommend the big breakfast, no? It has 2 eggs, na siya bacon and tocino. And then na siya atsara and cucumber with the sukang pinakurat, no? It's a spicy vinegar. And I have here the dahon coffee. This is a house blend coffee over ice with vanilla ice cream, no? So ato i-mix, ha. So usa ni sa ilang mga best seller here sa Dahon Cafe. I have also Spanish latte. This is hot, and green matcha frap and ice americano. So guys, sa ilang big breakfast, you can choose 2, no? So ang akong gipili is the bacon and tocino. You can choose also spam or corned beef. So it's up to you kung unsay imong preference. So kauna ta, let's try the tocino. So humok ka ilang tocino. So yummy. Ayan, natog suka. So, one of my favorites good sa kanang breakfast is the tocino because I like kanang sweet like this. So, naapoy 2 pieces of egg. This is sunny side up. And then achara. So achara is a papaya pickle. Ato i-try nga wala sa kanang suka. So crispy kayo, and then nami kay lang bacon. So guys, as you can see, unique kayo lang mga cups, no? This is ceramic, this is the plastic, so mura siya gi-crumpled nga cup. And as you can see, this iconic dahon. So dahon in Bisaya means leaf. So mao ni ilang iconic logo diri sa Dahon Cafe. O kung makita ni nimo, wala jud ka masayop, naa ka sa Dahon Cafe. So again, this is Spanish latte nila. Kung makapit mo diri sa Kasambagan, Cebu City, so drop by Dahon Cafe, try their signature coffee, ilang breakfast, so daghan sila foods diri to offer. They have pasta, pastries, breads also. Guys, come and visit Dahon Cafe in Kasambagan, Cebu City. Yay! So guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Ryan Cruz MD, and my Facebook page is Herbert Ryan Cruz. I'll see you next time on my next vlog. Bye-bye!